Everybody, is Kurt at GrangerAmp.com. Today we're doing a way different repair than amplifiers or guitars or things like that. These are these little solar powered sidewalk lights, and these are really simple, and every one that I've found that's not working is because of this rust and corrosion on the batteries. These little rechargeable excuse me, little rechargeable batteries just get dirt and corrosion inside. I've already fixed two. This is the third and fourth one, and basically all you gotta do is take a little Emory board, file that down, clean it up, blow out all the dirt and dust, put it back together, they're good to go. And here we are on the second one, same thing. Also, you want to make sure you get in there and clean that terminal. I usually use a little flat screwdriver. If these batteries are really bad, you can take a little metal file if you got one. Make quicker work of that. And here we go. Cleaned off that terminal. Cleaned off that battery. And this one's just putting back together. It's still got a little charge in it. It's working again. Put that back together, put it out in the sun, it'll be good to go. Hey everybody, thanks for watching this very different repair video. I hope you like the channel, like the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Peace out. Y'all have a great day.